So with COVID running rampant in Jamaica, I've been washing my hands a lot and using dryers like this. But just the other day I came across this. Feel the power. I bet it's not even strong.
My big guy. Show me you're a big guy without telling me you're a big guy.
Tell me that you're from the Caribbean without telling me that you're from the Caribbean. I will wait for it.
Show me that you're from the ghetto without telling me that you're from the ghetto. Let's go.
Extreme reasonings with surplus.
Yo, I love smartphones and them thing then. When you see when it happen at them, yeah, there was a dramatic thing you could have do when make you feel so emotionally good. Like I said, yo, what the fuck, I'm done talking now.
It's the airline for me. You're sitting here lying for me. Every time I look at my face, I study history.
Yeah.